Hello everybody, this is Shankar from System Based Labs. Welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how robotic process automation, RPA, is evolving into intelligent systems with AI. You now understand the shift from rules to intelligence. But now comes the real question. What should you actually learn next? Because understanding is one thing, transformation is another. Let us make this practical. If you are already working with UiPath, Automation Anywhere, or Power Automate, you are not starting from zero. You are already part of the system. Now, you extend your capabilities using what we call the AI stack. Let us understand this as a layered architecture. Layer 1, automation layer. What you already know at the foundation. You already have automation. UiPath, Automation Anywhere, or Power Automate. This is where execution happens. You define workflows, automate processes, and orchestrate tasks. This layer is strong, and you already understand it. Layer 2, data and context layer. Now, above automation comes something very important, data and more importantly, context. This includes logs, transactions, documents, and user behavior. Without this layer, there is no intelligence. Automation without context is just repetition. But when you bring in data, now the system can begin to understand. So the flow becomes collect data, analyze context, and feed intelligence. Layer 3, AI intelligence layer. This is where systems begin to think. This layer has 4 key components: behavioral analytics, decision systems, language models, and vision systems. Behavioral analytics. This is the layer where systems detect anomalies, recognize patterns, and learn user behavior. To enable this capability, we rely on tools such as Vertex AI, Splunk, and Elastic Stack. Now, your system does not just execute, it observes. And once a system can observe, it must decide. That is where decision systems come in. They move beyond fixed rules and enable dynamic, intelligent decision making. Systems move from rules to dynamic decisions. And to make this possible, we rely on tools like AWS Step Functions, Rules, Camunda, and Azure Decision Service. Now, your system does not just follow logic, it chooses. Language models. This is where systems begin to understand and generate human language. They can read documents, interpret context, and even respond intelligently. To enable this capability, we use tools like OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, AWS Bedrock, LangChain, and Llama Index. Now your system does not just process data, it understands meaning. Vision systems. This is where systems begin to see and interpret visual and document data. They can read invoices, understand forms, and extract information from images. To enable this, we use tools like AWS T-Extract, Azure Document Intelligence, Google Document AI, and OpenCV. Now, your system does not just read structured inputs. It understands real-world data. Layer 4, human in the loop. Above all layers comes the most important layer, in the human layer. You design systems, define intent, and control decisions. You ensure compliance, monitor outcomes, and guide intelligence. AI assists. Humans decide end-to-end flow. Data is collected. AI analyzes, decisions are made. Automation executes, and humans guide. Business outcomes. You reduce risk, improve efficiency, lower cost, enhance experience, and drive innovation. Your role, transformation. You are not just an RPA developer anymore. You are becoming an intelligent automation engineer, a system designer, and a decision architect. This is your evolution into the future of automation. Now that you understand the architecture and the tools behind intelligent automation, in the next 4 videos, We will bring all of this to life through real-world case studies. We will cover a Microsoft Azure system, an AWS-based architecture, and a Google Cloud hybrid system. Plus an advanced case study focused on observability and real-time intelligence systems. Each case study will show you how these tools come together and how decisions are made and how real systems are designed in production environments. So you can either follow all of them or choose the path aligned to your ecosystem and then move forward into the next level. We will see you in the next video. Video 6, Robotic Process Automation and AI Case Study. A Microsoft Azure Intelligent Automation System. This is Shankar from System Based Labs. See you in the next video. Good luck and goodbye.